Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon, everyone. How are you?
We are fine, ma'am. What's about you, ma'am?
I'm also fine. Sit down.
Thank you, ma'am. Bro, please give me your pencil.
Take it.
Thank you. Welcome. Listen, Jinka, don't disturb me. Excuse me, ma'am. May I drink water? Excuse me, ma'am. Please come here. Excuse me, ma'am. They are fighting. Ravi. Listen, Tamanna, don't talk to me. Excuse me, ma'am. May I come in? Excuse me, ma'am. May I go to hand? Please move aside.